Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. Today we're diving into a surprising topic about cucumbers, a superfood that can be both beneficial and harmful depending on what you pair it with. Did you know that eating certain foods with cucumbers can actually harm your health? Even a healthy cucumber needs to be eaten correctly to be beneficial to your body. So, to protect your health, I'll tell you about the 3 worst foods to pair with cucumbers and the 3 best foods to pair with them. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and like this video. Share this with your loved ones and introduce our channel to many others. I will continue to provide you with the best health information. Let's get into it. The worst food combinations with cucumbers. 1. Carrots. Surprisingly, the first food to avoid pairing with cucumbers is carrots. Many people enjoy cucumbers and carrots together, especially in salads or as snacks. However, from a nutritional standpoint, this combination isn't ideal. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin C, which is fantastic for your skin and immune system. However, carrots contain an enzyme called ascorbinase, which destroys vitamin C. Tip: to still enjoy both, lightly cook the carrots or add a bit of vinegar or lemon juice. This will neutralize the enzyme and allow you to get the nutrients from both vegetables. 2. Bananas. The second worst combination is bananas. Both cucumbers and bananas are rich in potassium, which is excellent for heart health. However, consuming them together can lead to an excessive intake of potassium. This can disrupt the water balance in cells, causing muscle weakness, numbness, and even heart arrhythmias. Tip: to avoid these issues, eat cucumbers and bananas separately. Pair cucumbers with other fruits like apples, which we'll discuss shortly. 3. Pickled cucumbers. Lastly, avoid eating cucumbers pickled in salt. While pickles are delicious, they contain high levels of sodium, which can increase blood pressure and contribute to cardiovascular diseases. Excessive salt intake can also damage the stomach lining, leading to gastritis and stomach cancer. Tip: instead of salty pickles, try cucumbers with a bit of vinegar. It's a healthier alternative that still gives you that tangy flavor. The best food combinations with cucumbers. 1. Pears. Pairing cucumbers with pears creates an excellent cooling and detoxifying combination. Both cucumbers and pears are rich in water and nutrients that help expel heat from the body and reduce inflammation. Additionally, they contain asparagine, which is great for detoxifying and strengthening the liver. Recipe idea: try a cucumber and pear salad with a light lemon dressing for a refreshing and healthy dish. 2. Apples. Cucumbers are fantastic for cardiovascular health, and when paired with apples, the benefits multiply. Cucumbers contain vitamin K, which helps maintain blood vessel health, while apples are rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that strengthens blood vessels. Recipe idea: mix diced cucumbers and apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon for a sweet and crunchy snack. 3. Vinegar. Cucumbers paired with vinegar are excellent for brain health and anti-inflammatory benefits. Cucumbers contain a compound called fisetin, which is great for memory and concentration. Vinegar helps ensure the vitamin C in cucumbers is fully absorbed and cleanses the blood vessels. Recipe idea: prepare a cucumber vinegar salad by slicing cucumbers thinly, and marinating them in apple cider vinegar with a touch of honey. Additional tips for enjoying cucumbers. While we've covered some specific pairings, there are other ways to enjoy cucumbers healthily. 1. Hydration booster. Cucumbers are 95% water, making them an excellent food for hydration. Combine them with watermelon or other hydrating fruits in a salad for a refreshing summer treat. 2. Skin care. Cucumbers are great for skin health due to their high vitamin C and water content. Make a homemade face mask by blending cucumbers with yogurt and honey for a soothing and moisturizing treatment. 3. Weight loss. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in fiber. They make a great addition to any weight loss diet. Try adding them to your smoothies or drinking cucumber-infused water to stay full and hydrated throughout the day. 4. Anti-inflammatory snack. Combine cucumbers with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and this combination can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Summary. To maximize the benefits of cucumbers, remember these tips. Sprinkle vinegar or lemon juice on cucumbers when eating them with carrots. Pair cucumbers with pears for cooling and detoxifying effects. Eat cucumbers with apples to boost cardiovascular health. Avoid salty pickles and opt for cucumbers with vinegar. Incorporate cucumbers into your hydration, skin care, and weight loss routines. Bonus tip. Always eat cucumbers with their skin on to get the maximum nutritional benefits, as most of the vitamins are found in the skin. For an added health boost, try organic cucumbers to avoid the potential pesticides found on conventional varieties. If you prefer non-organic cucumbers, be sure to wash them thoroughly or peel them to reduce pesticide exposure. Incorporate cucumber skins into smoothies, salads, or as crunchy additions to sandwiches for an extra dose of fiber and antioxidants. This simple practice can enhance your overall nutrient intake and contribute to better health. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new about cucumbers and how to pair them for maximum health benefits. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment below to let us know your favorite cucumber recipe or any other food combinations you found helpful. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Stay healthy and happy. See you in the next video.